Mia arrives home after a long, exhausting day. She drops her bag and sinks into the couch, trying to catch her breath.
Finally home. What a long day. I just want to relax.
Her phone on the coffee table lights up, pulling her attention.
Unknown number? Let me see what this is about.
On the screen, a single text sits in an unknown chat. She reads it out loud.
I saw you today at the coffee shop on Main Street. What? Who is this?
Unease creeps in as her thumbs fly over the keyboard.
Who is this? Do I know you?
Silence. No reply. Mia flips the phone face down and reaches for her mug.
No response. Probably just a wrong number or some weirdo.
Morning light pours through sheer curtains. Mia reaches for her phone the moment she wakes.
Let me check my phone. Oh no, 3 new messages from that same number. You wore a blue jacket. You bought a magazine. You seem stressed lately. How does this person know all of this?
A spike of panic shoots through her. She sits up, her heart pounding in her chest.
Oh my God! Someone is watching me. Someone is actually watching me.
She calls Sophie, her hands shaking as she paces toward the kitchen.
Sophie, please pick up. Please, I need to talk to you right now.
The call connects. Relief washes over Mia's face.
Sophie, thank God you answered. Someone is sending me really creepy messages. They know everything.
Mia, slow down. Take a breath. What kind of messages? Maybe it's just a coincidence?
No, it's not a coincidence. These messages are too specific.
Okay, you're right. That does sound creepy. Have you thought about going to the police? You should document everything.
The police? I don't know if they'll take it seriously, but you're right. I should keep records of everything.
After talking with Sophie, Mia feels a little calmer. She gets ready and goes to work, trying to leave her worries behind. But as the day goes on, she just can't focus. The quiet sounds of the office, the tapping of keyboards, the faint ring of phones fade into the background. Her eyes are on the screen, yet her thoughts keep drifting away. No matter how hard she tries, her mind won't stay still.
I can't focus on anything. Every time my phone buzzes, my heart stops.
The phone lights up again with another message.
No, this can't be happening.
Her eyes scan the room, searching faces, trying to guess who's watching.
They're watching me even here. Are they in this building?
Hands shaking, Mia dials her brother from the office, hunched over at her desk to keep her voice low.
Hey, brother. I know this sounds weird, but I need to ask you something important.
Hi, Mia. Sure, what's up? You look worried. Is everything okay?
Have you been checking up on me? Watching my social media? Or following me?
What? No, why would I do that? What's going on? You're scaring me.
Someone's been sending me messages, Marcus. They know everything about my day, where I go, what I wear, who I talk to.
That's stalking, Mia. Have you gone to the police? You need to report this immediately.
I know you wouldn't do this. I'm sorry I even asked. I just had to check everyone who knows me well.
Don't apologize. But seriously, Mia, you need to call the police. This isn't safe. And keep me updated, okay?
She ends the call, still shaken, but a bit more grounded now. As the day slowly winds down, she gathers her things, shuts her laptop, and leaves the office, the decision already forming in her mind. Tomorrow, she'll take a closer look at work. Later that night, back home, Mia calls Sophie again. Her voice is calmer this time, but the strain hasn't fully left her.
Hey, Sophie, I needed to talk. You won't believe what's been happening.
Tell me everything. What happened today?
I got more messages. They knew everything about my day. I even asked Marcus if it was him. He swore it wasn't.
If it's not your brother, maybe it's someone else who sees you often. What about work? Could it be one of your coworkers?
You think it could be someone from work? Ryan? Or maybe someone else in the office?
I don't want to scare you, but you should be careful. Keep your phone close and stay aware. Promise me, okay?
I promise. Thanks, Sophie. I'll try to get some rest.
She ends the call with Sophie, her voice softer now, the tension slowly fading. The house is quiet when she walks into her room. She sets her phone on the nightstand, turns off the lamp, and slips under the blanket. Morning sunlight returns. Mia reaches for her phone, hopeful for a quiet screen, then reads the newest message. The text is worse than the others. You looked peaceful in your sleep, Mia.